morning to all. So this is your chapter number 3rd. A rupee goes a long way, written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, your English reader, chapter number 3rd. A rupee goes a long way, written by Ruskin Bond. Okay, let's start reading. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin. Ranji had a 1 rupee coin. He went to Jamna's sweet shop. Tossed the coin on the counter and asked for jalebis. The shopkeeper studied the coin and said, "These coins went out of use long ago. And gave it back." और उसको वापस कर देता है. Okay. Soon after, Ranji met his friend Mohinder, who held a homemade fishing rod. Ranji started at the fishing rod. Ranji stared at the fishing rod. Now Ranji want to exchange. Mohinder said, I'll sell it to you for 2 rupees. I have got just 1 old rupee coin, said Ranji. So I have just an old rupee coin. Mohinder said, I think my uncle collects old coin. So give it to me and I'll give you the rod. Oh wow! Ranji was happy with the exchange. Ranji took a ride on the truck and reached the river. But to his disappointed because the river was dry. He saw that the river was not deep enough for fishing. Dejected, he was walking back through the bazaar. Oh my God, through the bazaar. Dejected, he was walking back through the bazaar when Ranji saw a boy playing a flute. Okay, so the boy eyed Ranji's fishing rod. Ranji eyed the flute. Now Ranji want to exchange. That they decided to exchange their. Ranji began walking and playing the flute, starting and passed by. I can play better than that. Who said these lines? Yes, said a boy hearing Ranji. Milk boy. So he was carrying empty milk can. So the boy took the flute and played a lovely little tune. You can have it for a rupee, said Ranji. Because Ranji wanted 1 rupee. The boy didn't have rupee. But offered Ranji a pretty necklace of brightly colored stone. Which he said were from Tibet. Yes, said were from Tibet. They made the exchange. Now they exchange again. Ranji was about to thrust the necklace into his pocket, and you know what? This time Ranji wants jalebi. When he noticed a girl staring at him. Hello, Koki, he said. Who's the girl? Koki. Yes, Koki. Would you like to have the necklace? Oh, thank you, said Koki. Oh my God, thank you. And she wanted to. So clapping her hand with pleasure. Wow, I wanted it. 1 rupee, said Ranji. 1 rupee, only 1 rupees. Okay, she made a face. And then Ranji handed her the necklace and took 1 rupee coin and ran across the Jamna sweet shop and tossed the coin on the counter and said, "Jalebis for a rupees." Jalebi for a rupees. Now गर्मा गर्म जलेबी वो फटाफट पैक कराता है. He filled a paper bag with hot jalebis. He found Koki waiting and she was hungry. Oh my God, she was hungry. They sat side by side and Koki helped Ranji finish the jalebi. Now open your page number 29. True, false, true or not true. Okay, so let's start. The shopkeeper told Ranji that the 1 rupee coin was of no use. True or not true? Quick answer. Yes. Not. Yes, true. This is true. The shopkeeper told. Mahinder Singh agreed to take the coin because he collected old coin. Yes, of course. That's why. True. There was a lot of fish in the river and Ranji was able to use the fishing rod well. There was a lot of fish in the river. No, lot of fish. Actually, the river was dry. Not true. Next, Ranji exchanged the fishing rod for a necklace. No. Float for a necklace. Not true. Okay. Ranji gave the necklace to Koki and didn't take any money for it. No, 1 rupee coin. He took 1 rupee coin and then took jalebi from the coin. Not true. So first true, then not true, not true and not true. First of all, tick the correct like this and then after that you have to write in your notebook. Okay, in your notebook. These are your make sentence. First, live. Koki lived close to his house. Okay, right? Koki lived close to his house. Coin. I have got an old rupee coin. Oh my god, old coin. Carefully, the shopkeeper looked at the coin carefully. It's so easy. Now you have to make these sentence. Jalebis. Jalebis? Now I love jalebis. Okay, canal. So train comes through canal. So right here. So complete this sentence and complete my sentence. Okay, this is your work for today. Do it right now.